So a small demonstration of how to put stuff on Google+. The first way is to save within PowerPoint as JPEG files. So drop down, choose JPEG. I'm going to choose a place to save them. I've got a dump folder here. If I just save now, do you want to export every slide? Yes, I do. It goes chunders away and saves the 12 slides. Each slide in your presentation has been saved as a separate file in that folder. So I'm going to go and check that folder now. Over in tab, there it is. So that's got all the files. So they're all the 12 files in order. So now I go back to my Google, which was probably showing something like this. I go to Photos, I go to Albums, and I go to Upload Photos. And I open the browser and I find the folder, and then I Control A and I open. And while they're doing that, I'm going to give the title. I'm just going to call it a temp upload. Obviously you're going to give it a better name than that. And slowly it's uploading all the photos in that PowerPoint, which the PowerPoint converted into JPEGs, and now Google Plus is uploading them onto the Google folders. So click Done. Really, we don't need tagging. I never use tagging. Skip tagging. And now basically you say, here are the files. Here are the slides. Sorry. And then you say, I would normally share it with physics, but because we're just doing a test, I have a test folder that I call Teaching Stuff. Scroll down a little bit. There it is. And so I just share there. That's completely done. Okay, so that's method 1. Okay, now method 2 is to save the PowerPoint somewhere, and I've saved it there. I don't know if you can see it, that it's actually saved there already, so I don't have to save it there. And I'm going to upload that to my drive. Now if you're in Google Plus, you click this box of little squares, you get Drive. When Drive opens, you use this Upload Files. You grab the folder and you should see a PowerPoint file. Click Open, and this little thing on the right here opens and slowly starts to upload the actual PowerPoint. The only problem you'll have here is that you'll start to use up your Google Drive 15 gigabytes. The other way, you don't use them up because they're photos, and photos below 2 kilopixels, 2000 by 2000, are free on Google Plus. But this is, I know a lot of people that use this way. I don't use it, but it might be a better way, and I don't know if I'm going to change. So once you've done that, you click Share, and when you've clicked Share, this is the key thing here. This is the link to that file, so you Control C so you can get it, and this is the key one here. You must let anybody with the link view it. Don't let them change it, don't let them edit it, don't let them comment necessarily, just let them view it. So you click Save, and I've changed those. Then I click Done. I go back to my Google Plus, I go home, and here is the PowerPoint I promised. Let's say something like that. Okay, and you share it to Teaching Stuff, and you go Control V. It goes and looks it up and should produce the PowerPoint actually there, which is very, very cool. You click Share, and that's the second way. So that's very, very simple. And when they do it, they will actually see the PowerPoint in Google Plus, and they can scroll through with the slides. It's quite cool. If they want to, they can maximize it to full screen. So that would be going through the slides. There's your full screen, and here are your slides. So let's say we allow full screen, and then you go through your slides. This is pretty cool. Actually, I'm enjoying that one. I might change the way I do it. At the moment I upload them as JPEGs, but that's a very cool way to upload a PowerPoint.